Alright, this is the SAR USA K12 Sport. SAR is the main company, but it is made in the USA. They have a manufacturing plant. I believe it's in Alabama. Yes, Opelika, Alabama. Alright, to disassemble this one, we've already cleared it. No magazine. We're going to check the chamber. Chamber's clear. Okay, you've got these two little dots right here. If you can see those, try to get them in focus. We've got to line those dots up. Now the way I do the aligning is I will just take my hand here and I will pull back like that. So we're going to pull it back here. And sometimes basically what you're going to do is you got this, it's this part sticking out of this end. So we're going to push this that away toward your left side basically, and it won't do it without here. And honestly, I've never been able to get them. It says in the manual to just push, but yeah, I've never been able to do that. So this is a clay worker's tool. I will take it and I will actually just put it behind here and I will press it, and you see how it just popped out, and then you just go forward. Now the slide or the frame, this is all we need to do with the frame. So here's the frame, set it to the side. To disassemble this for cleaning on the slide, we're going to push forward, up, and out on the spring and rod. So push forward, hold on to it because you don't want it to spring out. It's got a little bit, it's a pretty good spring there, so it can spring out. Set that to the side. The barrel, we're going to push forward, up, and out. So basically forward, up, and out. And that is fully disassembled for cleaning. Hey, if this video has helped you out any, please go ahead at this point and like and subscribe to our channel. This helps the algorithms, so other people, if they're looking for this particular gun or different gun to disassemble and reassemble for cleaning, it helps them see it on YouTube. So if you would, just do us a favor and go ahead and like and subscribe. If this has helped you out some, we'd really appreciate that because it would help a lot of other people. Thanks. Alright, we're going to put it back together. So basically we're going to take the barrel, we're going to slide it in the barrel slot, that hole, the big hole right there. So we're going to slide it in, down, and back. The rod, we're going to take the rod and we're going to slide it down the spring and rod, down the spring hole right there. So we're going to slide it in. Now we're going to have to put some tension on it. This one isn't horrible, but you've got to wiggle it. I don't know if you can tell I'm wiggling it, but you've got to wiggle it until you can get it down on that step right there. Alright, so I got it in on that step. And this is just a single step right here. See if we can get that in focus. Right there. So we just stepped it in. And you can actually see how it notches down in there. Right there, how it's got the little notch. Like the little button coming off of the rod and the notch into the this is actually part of the barrel, the chamber end of the barrel right there. Alright, now to put it back together, this does opposite from a lot of the others. So basically you're going to have your notches on your frame and you're going to have your part that slides into them on your actual slide. And it starts all the way, so we've got to go all the way down. We've got to line them up and we've got to push that back. Now it's seated in pretty good. This has got a good hole down in here. It's not bad. It's a good oblong hole, but we've got to line these two dots up again. Alright, grab my piece, and my piece is going to sit in. You see the little notch here, and you've got this part right there that goes into here. So we're going to start it. I'm just going to kind of sit it there, pull my dots together, and just kind of pop it. And it will go right in. And you just not a hard pop, but just pop it, pull, click, and we're good to go. Alright, this is the SAR USA K12 Sport. Thanks for checking out our video. If you're local to the Anderson, South Carolina area, we teach concealed weapons classes on a monthly basis. Check us out at www.defensetraining.org. If you're not local to us, we also make holsters. defensetraining.org/holsters. We make ambidextrous in the waistband holsters at this point. Check us out, and thanks for watching.